Hi guys, welcome to Royal Logos. It's my pleasure to have you here and I really hope that you all are doing well. In today's video, I will demonstrate you that how can we extract a logo design idea for an agency that provides website design services. Now let's continue with the brief that we received from the client. So the client says that we need a modern yet simplistic logo for our agency named as David Ben, or you can say David Ben Limited. The agency provides the professional and best web applications and designs both for the startups and for the large firms. We analyze every aspect of the project to hit all of the required goals and targets. We are looking for a modern and simple design to represent the services that we are providing. Now the major points that I extracted from the brief is the name of the agency or name of the logo, which is David Ben or David Ben Limited. And the second one is their services that they are providing, which is website designs. And the third one is that the logo should be modern and simple and must represent the services that the agency is providing. And now let's continue with the mind mapping process. So first of all, for the name of the logo, which is David Ben, we can use the initial letter D, or we can use the combination of both of the first letters, letter D and letter B. And to represent the website design services, we can use different elements that are used during the coding or during the website design, like parentheses or the opening and closing tags, which is used during the coding process. So I decided to use the combination of initial letter D with the opening and closing tags. And after sketching different designs, this was the final one. Now let's break down this logo into different parts to understand the background logic. Now this part represents the initial letter D, and these ones represents the opening and closing tags that are used during the coding process. And the third element that I added in this logo is this hexagonal shape. Now there is also a story behind the addition of this hexagonal shape. Hexagons are the representation of the best fit. Like you can say that this agency, David Ben Limited, is the best fit if you want to design your web application. Now I will tell you the meaning behind the most important shapes: circular, triangular, square and hexagon. Circular shape is the representation of never ending, or you can say infinity. And triangle is the representation of balance and completion. Like you can say that all of the trusses are used by using the web of triangles. And the rectangle is the representation of safety and stability. As you can see that all of the lockers and safes are used in square or rectangular shape. And hexagon is the representation of best fit. Like hexagonal shape is used in the human DNA. And the perfect example for the hexagon as a best fit shape is the honeycomb, which is designed by using the tiny hexagons. Now this is the logic behind the most important shapes that are used during the design process. And one thing, if you are a beginner like me, then try to use Behance.com. This is the most important portfolio website for the designers, because there is a major chance at Behance.com that agencies and potential clients can hire you. So I have also made a Behance page, and it's my humble request from you guys that please follow and like the page. I've provided the link of my Behance portfolio in the description. And now if you think that this video helps you in some way, then please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.